Amul, the pioneer of white revolution. From the early morning glass of milk to the cheese on your afternoon sandwich, what would be the first brand that comes to your mind when it comes to milk products? Amul, right? And it's not just you. Your parents and even their parents used Amul dairy products. As of 2020, Amul has managed to stay as India's #1 dairy brand. How? Well, one name that made it possible was Dr. Verghese Kurian. In this video, we will find out how Amul became the pioneer of white revolution in India. In 1949, Dr. Kurian was appointed to an experimental creamery at Anand in Gujarat by the Government of India. He noticed that there was a huge demand for fresh milk and dairy products in the metro cities. But the farmers located in faraway villages like Anand in Gujarat were unable to reach the cities in time with fresh milk to sell. They relied on a chain of suppliers. Now, instead of helping the cattle rearers and farmers, these suppliers, also known as middlemen, exploited them. Suppliers would refuse to buy milk at a fair price. Milk, being a perishable product, was useless to the farmers or cattle rearers after one day. Now, without a choice, the farmers had to give in to the unfair demands of the suppliers. The milk bought by the suppliers at low prices was sold at an exorbitant high price in the cities, thus giving the suppliers huge profits. The farmers, on the other hand, were not getting a fair share in this transaction. Dr. Kurian saw the problem and wanted to help the farmers of Anand. He thought of the ways in which the farmers could earn all the profit that the suppliers were making unethically. That's when an idea struck him. The farmers could supply their milk directly to the cities by building a supply chain. But how could farmers afford to build a logistic channel? Hence, Dr. Kurian suggested that all the farmers should come together, collect the milk, pool in money and resources, build local dairies to store the milk, and hire transport to take this milk to the cities. This structure is called as a cooperative union. This is how Anand Milk Union Limited, Amul, was formed. This cooperative was funded, owned, and managed by the villagers. Now, forming Amul was only the first step. How would they execute this idea? Firstly, the milk was collected from cattle sheds in the village. This milk was then deposited at the village collection center. Then, Amul Cooperative took the responsibility to store, treat, and maintain the milk quality. Finally, the milk was packed and sent out in delivery vans to the cities. With the middlemen gone, the villagers now got fair value for milk and created thousands of jobs and income opportunities for the village ecosystem. The prices of milk were also at an all-time low. Amul clearly valued social responsibility over profits. Soon, this business idea that empowered an entire village became a front-page story all over India. Amul started growing by leaps and bounds. From an initial 18 milk cooperatives, it grew to over 18,000 cooperative dairies all over India. The number of villagers who started contributing milk also increased to such an extent that there was more milk than need. All this was still manageable, but the real challenge arose when the farmers started depositing buffalo milk as well. Now, there was so much excess milk that Amul had to deal with the situation. So, what do you think Amul did? Would they turn down the buffalo milk suppliers? Well, Dr. Kurian was a man with foresight. He saw this problem as an opportunity. So rather than turning down the buffalo milk producers, Dr. Kurian turned to innovation. And thanks to his groundbreaking idea, for the first time ever, milk powder was produced from buffalo milk. In this form, milk could be stored longer and it was very profitable. Also, Amul could even export this unique product to other countries. Additionally, Amul started making more milk products to solve the problem of excess milk. Thus, the excess milk was processed to create dairy products like cheese, butter, ghee, buttermilk, and so much more. As of 2020, Amul produces 30 plus products out of milk and has a presence in 40 plus countries. Do you know why? Because Amul was not just a business idea. It was a way to empower the society with a business solution. It was the White Revolution. So the next time you think about a business idea, think about how Amul created value for society. And remember that an idea that impacts the society is often more sustainable and relevant in changing times. So isn't this story as awesome as your favorite Amul ice cream? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to visit the Npower website to learn more about entrepreneurship. Happy learning!